Hey guys, how to download Windows 10 from the Microsoft website. The media creation tool method isn't working. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Windows directly from Microsoft. First, open your browser and search for Windows 10 Download ISO. Next, click on the official Microsoft link. Direct download links aren't available here. Let's do the following to reveal the download link. Press Ctrl, Shift, and I. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, hover over More Tools, and select Network Conditions. Uncheck the Use Browser Default box, then select Safari, iPad from the options. Press F5 or click the Reload button next to the search bar to refresh the page. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO, then click Confirm. Select English United States as the language, then click Confirm. Two versions are available here. Simply select the version you want to download. I also have a video on how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing any data. Be sure to check it out on my channel. If you managed to download Windows 10 successfully, please leave your feedback in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for updates on helpful videos.